If you are moving to Bangor for further studies, Ty Glyn might be the perfect place. This student accommodation offers a variety of studio apartments designed to meet every student's needs. Each room features a large window that fills the space with natural light and a bed perfectly positioned to offer stunning city views. The room also includes a study desk with free high-speed Wi-Fi to help you complete your assignments. The private bathrooms offer ample space, and the kitchen has a cooktop and plenty of cabinetry for storing snacks and ingredients. The residential complex offers numerous amenities, including a communal TV for movie nights with friends and a games room for unwinding after a long day of classes. Located within walking distance of Bangor University, this student accommodation is always buzzing with activity. The area is surrounded by amazing restaurants and cafes like Cafe 364 and Penguin Cafe, making life fun. On weekends, you can catch a bus from Bangor Bus Station Stand F to explore distant destinations such as Menai Viewing Platform and Pilot Palace Nature World. Life at Ty Glyn's student accommodation promises a fun and exciting experience. Book your stay with us at amberstudent.com.